fate of gyms in Memphis is in the hands now of the Shelby County Health Department. Now, this, of course, comes after the health department decided to shut down bars and only allow restaurants to stay open until 10 p.m. Both of those restrictions go into place tomorrow night at midnight. Fox 13's Jackie Massey is live tonight. Jackie, you talked to one gym owner and got his thoughts on more restrictions.
Daryl, the gym owner, tells me he is doing his part to make sure his members are safe by only allowing 8 people inside his gym at one time. He even taped off several of the treadmills to make sure they're practicing social distancing. And there's cleaning supplies everywhere. Now, the health department will decide if they want to close down gyms or not. And the gym owner tells me he's worried. People who are trying to stay fit during this pandemic might have to exercise outside if the health department shuts gyms down.
I don't know if it's completely fair to target gyms completely.
Mark Aiken owns Envision Memphis. It was hard closing down the first time, but a second time will really hurt his business.
You hate to ask people to just continue their memberships when it's another indefinite closure.
The health department is looking at another option, limiting the number of people inside gyms. Right now, it's at 50% capacity. These ideas are being discussed to control the spread of COVID-19. Aiken says he's continued to operate at phase 1, only allowing 8 people inside at a time.
It's what felt right to us. It's what our guts told us to do.
He says he is doing his part to keep members safe, but is skeptical about other businesses.
You see other businesses seemingly not paying any attention to it at all. That does get very frustrating.
Very frustrating, and a financial hit that could tank his business, depending on what happens.
We got to breathe through it and be as positive as we can. You know, we want to be realistic, but we want to try to maintain a positive attitude.
The Shelby County Health Department did not say when they'll be making this decision, but they could also decide to move to phase 1 inside the gyms, which would only allow a 25% capacity. Reporting live downtown, Jackie Massey, Fox 13 News.